What's going on, car people of this world? Today you are joining me here in Ed's car. We find ourselves in Ed's car more than we should, probably, yeah. But today we will be installing catless downpipes on his car. So right now he has exhaust pipes center dumped straight under the car, and he's pushing what, like 420 wheel horsepower. 420 wheel horsepower right now. He's got a new tune, and after these downpipes are installed, he's going to be at around 480. Oh my gosh. It is wild. 420 horsepower seems like nothing in the scheme of, like, you know, I'm used to seeing 1,000 horsepower cars on YouTube. It's nothing.
It's unimaginable what those feel like, you know? It's like,
it really is. I can't imagine. Anyway, he is gonna be at 480 pretty soon. I'm excited. Yeah, let's get going. Oh, got the Continental GT. We just got back to the house. We're about to jack up the car, but let's take a listen to what this thing currently sounds like. Low key, the car kind of sounds
like a tractor.
Like a tractor, like a bubble machine. Not the greatest. Give us a couple tiny little revs. Alright, so you can hear the turbos. It sounds nice because of the turbos, but that's really it. After these new downpipes are on, hopefully it'll be so much better. Car is all up in the air. Here are the new downpipes we're installing. Well, they're brand used. So right now we're working on getting this one down. So we gotta get these bolts off. We're getting those bolts off right now. And then there's a bolt connecting the current downpipe to the upper cats. We gotta get that one out. And then there's also one up on top. So we'll be popping those out momentarily.
Oh shoot. Look at it. That was
take the wheel, pull it down,
Oh!
Ooh, that's hot. I have a new one, don't worry.
We can't get this bolt off. And before you say anything, no, I'm not trying to unscrew it from this side. I'm trying to get it from this side. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's the side I was trying at. It's not getting off. So we're gonna drill right through it. And he says that he's not gonna want to use the brackets again anyway. So I think they're gonna fall off. Mark my words.
I heard that.
Alright guys, pretty much what's happening right now is we're trying to drill through that bolt. I drilled most of the way through it. All my drill batteries are dying. So we're gonna head back to his house to grab the Sawzall, and we're gonna grab some food while we're out there because we need food. Hold over, I don't see ya.
And here we go.
Hey, how you doing?
Good about yourself.
You got a nice camera there, man.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
You're a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Awesome. What you do?
Just car stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Just let you know my body cam's on, alright?
Okay, for sure, man. Here's my license for
I
you.
stopped you because your license plate. I don't know if you ever been stopped for that.
I have not.
Really?
No, I've had a lot of people.
Cool, but
thank you. I have my plate right in here if you need it. All right, guys, we just got back from dinner and the pullover. It was actually really funny, and I have both of these guys to back me up on this. As I left my development today, I said, I feel like we're gonna get pulled over tonight. So I foreshadowed that quite well, and it didn't age very well, but he was a really cool guy, and they're coming after me.
Yeah.
We're gonna get back to this. What we have to do now is we're gonna cut the bracket off of the bottom. If I can't get these bolts off, I'm gonna try it one more time to get these bolts off. If not, we're cutting the bracket. All right, here we are. We got the second downpipe out. First one was over there. Now we're gonna start installing them and hopefully get this thing on the ground and going. We just got both of the downpipes in. Both of the turn downs are back on. And Ed is currently going to install his new tune. I'm super excited to hear it. It's gonna sound crazy. This is what we just removed. We removed 2 of these. That's a decent amount of restriction, both of these. And what do you say, these are what, like maybe 10 pounds each?
That's heavier than that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? All right, here we go. Dead of night.
Here we go.
Cold start. 2018 Infiniti Q50.
Ready?
Stage, what is this? 1?
2 now.
2. Let's hear it. That is so loud. Wow, so it just got quieter. We were trying to bounce out. It's like 9:30. It's still pretty loud, dude. That sounds kind of bubbly. It sounds very bubbly.
It smells like no cats.
It does smell like no cats. Dude, let's get going. Let's hear this thing, dude.
I can't
Hop in
push
with
it.
me. Let's go. Welcome back many days later to where now we are able to see this car in its full potential. What's going on, dude? Congratulations, first off, big congrats. He's a happy guy. It's probably 2 to 3 weeks since we installed the downpipes.
It's about 3 weeks.
Yeah, because his revision did not come in for the new tune, so there was really no point in filming it. But now we're here. This thing is a rocket ship, dude.
And it spins.
Absolute rocket ship. It
spins on launches, yeah.
All-wheel drive spinning Q50. What's the 0 to 60 now?
I got it on video. I have to do a draggy. I think it's like 3.5.
3.5. So
that's what I counted like.
Oh my gosh. So. You want to get going? Let's do it. Take a listen to how loud it is in here. I mean, it's just center dumped straight underneath the car. So we're getting all the noises, bangs, pops, everything.
And everything just vibrates in here too. Like, yeah. Driving at 2,000 RPM, daily driving, it's like a little bit annoying, but I mean,
it's pretty bad. And it does come with some big smell. Oh man. That sounds really nice, but with that comes an incredible amount of speed, which we're gonna unlock right up here. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, wow. Like you kind of feel like you're flying.
I know, that's what it feels like.
That is scary, dude. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Launch control. Dude, that felt like we were on ice. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's nuts. Regular Q50s get about 22 miles a gallon. He is sitting at 13.8. And when was the last time you reset that?
Actually, when we went to the King of Prussia Mall.
Okay. So he reset it 2 days ago, and he just got the tune in this morning.
Yep, this morning.
So that's pretty bad. I mean, it is a little bit intoxicating having this much power. You gotta try it out sometimes, but wow, that's nuts. Amazing. Speaking of bad fuel consumption, welcome to the Sunoco that literally looks abandoned.
I think it is.
No, I've been here before. Oh wait. Oh, it is abandoned. Good Lord, dude. I wish that like we could get some side-by-side comparisons of other cars.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
To like see how fast this really is, because I know the camera just doesn't pick it up.
No, it doesn't.
Like it just doesn't. I need to be like full speed in my car with you next to me to really show the magnitude of how quick this is. Alrighty, it is now my turn to drive this thing. Dude, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. This is the fastest thing I've ever driven. You ready?
Yeah. Alright, so full all the way down.
All the way down.
Gas all the way down for 3 seconds and then go.
Ready?
Yep.
Dude, we spun so much.
Oh, look, the same thing happened last time.
Guys, this thing is absolutely nuts. Massive thank you to Ed for freaking letting us work on it to do the downpipes, and I almost actually broke it. Did you get anything on film with me breaking it? I almost broke it there because I didn't do launch control correctly, but everything's good. So super happy for him. I'm so excited to see what he's gonna do next and how many cars he ends up beating. He's probably gonna win a lot in the pinks.
Maybe.
Yeah. Hopefully.
I'll bring your car back.
There you go. Maybe, yeah, I'd appreciate that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to check out Ed's Instagram, go give him a follow because he's got a lot of cool stuff that he's going to be doing to this car and races and whatever. So I'll link that somewhere up here. But as for now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.